Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Oppo Realme 1 smartphone with dual 4G support launched. Prices start at Rs 8,990. Chinese electronics major, Oppo today announced a new smartphone under its sub-brand Realme. Dubbed as the Realme 1, there are several highlights in this smartphone, starting off with the design. While smartphone brands in the Rs 15,000 segment always ignore the design aspect, Realme is looking to grab the attention of the crowd by offering the best design. Realme is all about power and style, said the company, and they are even calling the Realme 1 as the disruptive smartphone launch in India. Another aspect where the company is looking to address is the after-sales service. Realme states the service will be provided through an email, social media, and they've already set up 500 service centers across the country. Moving on to the features, the Realme 1 comes in diamond black finish with a reflective back surface, which is made of 12-layer nanotech material. The smartphone has a 6-inch Full HD Plus display on the front. Internally, the smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Helio P60 chipset, and it supports dual 4G as well. The Realme 1 will be available in a slew of memory options: 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. There's a dedicated microSD card slot as well for storage expansion up to 128GB. The company also touted the Realme 1 will beat the Redmi Note 5 Pro and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 in terms of performance, as both the devices are powered by the Snapdragon 636 SoC. The phone is fueled by a 3410 mAh battery and comes with AI battery management to deliver longer battery life. The Realme 1 boots Android 8.1 Aria-based ColorOS 5.0. Optics-wise, we get a single 13MP rear camera and a single 8MP front-facing camera. And of course, Realme has used the buzzword AI while launching the device. Realme claims the device can recognize 296 facial points and offers AI stickers feature for both the front and rear cameras. The camera app also offers HDR, vivid and bokeh modes powered by AI again. One of the massive letdowns for the Realme 1 is the lack of fingerprint scanner. But the company has added face unlock feature, but the lack of biometric sensor will give an edge to the competitors. The Oppo Realme 1 will be available in two color options, one is the diamond black one, and the other one is solar red color option. And here comes the massive announcement from Oppo India. The Realme 1 base variant with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage is priced at just Rs 8,990. While the premium 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage option costs Rs 13,990 in India. All the variants will be exclusively available on Amazon India. The 4GB RAM and 64GB option costs Rs 10,990. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.